Hello to everyone. Now, today we are going to start a new chapter of our math, that is chapter number 11, perimeter and its area. Before starting this chapter, I want to discuss few important formulas with you that are very important for this chapter. So, before going to move these formulas, I just want to firstly clear these two terms. What is perimeter and what is the area? So perimeter is what? Firstly, listen its definition. Perimeter is the distance covered around a closed figure. Suppose this is a figure. Any figure, we can say it is a quadrilateral. So distance around a closed figure. So total distance that is covered around a closed figure is called its perimeter. And what is its area? Area is what? This one. The space occupied by a closed figure is called its area. So now move to the next topic, that is the important formulas. So the first one is perimeter of a square, that is 4 multiply side. Side means side of the square. Then second is the side of square, which is equal to perimeter by 4. If perimeter is given and we have to find the side, then just divide perimeter by 4. If side is given and we find the area of the square, then side multiply side. And if length and breadth is given and you have to find the perimeter of the rectangle, apply this formula, 2 bracket length plus breadth. If we have to find the breadth of the rectangle and perimeter and length is given, then perimeter divided by 2 minus L. And same way to calculate the length of the rectangle, perimeter by 2 minus breadth. And area of rectangle is what? That is L into B, means length multiply breadth. Area of parallelogram, that is equal to base into height. Area of triangle, that is 1 by 2, means half multiply base multiply height. And next 10th is the area of the circle, that is pi r square. Pi has a standard value, that is 22 by 7, or we in decimal form it is 3.14. Next is the circumference of the circle. Circumference is what? It is the total distance around a circular figure, around a circle. So circumference is pi into d. D is the diameter. Or we can calculate this, if radius is given, then we apply 2 pi r. And there is a relation between the diameter and the radius, that is diameter is equal to 2 times radius, or radius means half of the diameter. And one of the most important is the units for the area and the perimeter. So units of area is square units. Square unit means meter square, centimeter square. If we have given side, length, breadth, what is in meter or in centimeters, then we will put the square while calculating its area. And units for perimeter are normal, that is meter, centimeter, single unit, centimeter, kilometer. What means the value, the quantity is given in that units, we just put the units. So learn these formulas, these are very important to solve this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.